Hello everyone, this is Lifestyle from KingClima. Today what I show you is 4 electric DC screw compressor. Okay, this compressor is a very popular model in China market. The model is EVS34, EVS36 and EVS42. This compressor, the volume in China market is 200,000 per year. It's very big quantity. And the compressor is different with the European market. In European market, they usually use semi-closed compressor like beazer and ball compressor. But for China market, we use this DC screw compressor for the electric bus and for the battery thermal control system. Now I show you the specification of this compressor. Firstly, the voltage is very important. The compressor voltage is from 400 to 750 voltage. And the refrigerant, we can use R134A or the refrigerant like R407C. And we can still use the refrigerant 410. Use this refrigerant, we can use the compressor for the -15 degree, and it worked as a heat pump compressor. It worked very well. For the compressor speed, the speed RPM is from 2,000 to 6,000, and the cooling capacity is usually from 6 kW to 12 kW. So for the bigger electric bus, for the 12-meter bus, usually we use a double compressor for the electric bus. Now we show you some photo of our compressor using. Here, all the air conditioner is for electric bus air conditioner. So you can see this is the air conditioner for the 12-meter bus. We use double compressor EVS36. And this is our 4 electric bus air conditioner export to European market and export to South America. And here is the photo for the electric bus. Usually, one-time charge, the bus can operate about 300 kilometers. This bus is very popular. This 4 electric bus is environment friendly, it's energy saving. So, if you are looking for the electric compressor and bus air conditioner, welcome to KingClima.